Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the connections section. Here you can see the NFC and contact payments section. Just to activate the NFC, click once here on the switcher, and if you want to turn it off you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first open the notification panel and here you should see the NFC icon. If you have now here the NFC icon, like in my case, you should click here on the plus icon, and on this upper section you'll see the somewhere here you will see the NFC icon, and then just add this icon to your notification panel. To do that, you just should hold for a while this icon and drag it here to this down section. Now just click here to done, and you can see that the NFC icon is visible now. And just to activate the NFC, you should click here once on this icon, and that's it. And just to turn it off, by the same way, click once again on the NFC icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.